If you want to find the lowest common multiple in seconds, let me show you how to do it using a calculator. Let's find the lowest common multiple of 4 and 6. Just follow these buttons. Press alpha, divide, 4, shift, close bracket, 6, close bracket, and equals. This gives us 12. So the lowest common multiple is 12. Now let's find the lowest common multiple of three numbers, 4, 3, and 6. We do this step by step. First, find the lowest common multiple of 4 and 3. That gives us 12. Lowest common multiple of 12 and 6. That is also 12. So the lowest common multiple of 4, 3, and 6 is 12. Now you can find the lowest common multiple of three numbers step by step. Thanks for watching and see you next time.